Hi and welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz. I want to give you an update of the integration from the Chimera engine fitting into the S2 that I got from Switzerland. So you see, I manage to have no cutting on the side pedal. Still is a dry build, and the footboard is just from paper, also the other side. But look, so you can see it is integrated, and let me get the side panels off. Okay, so everything in dry build, so nothing is connected, but okay, that is my home built flywheel cover, but it has the shape of an original Italian one. So one from metal will work the same. You see, I even have space for making tubes on the carbs, so I can maybe change the toolbox or modify the toolbox to an airbox. So, and everything will be on the side pedals. I'm amazed. That will be a cool sleeper. So what do you think? Please comment, and I will keep you posted with the next steps.